Health problems sentences. I am coughing a lot. I am coughing a lot. My stomach hurts. My stomach hurts. I have fever. I have fever. I feel dizzy. I feel dizzy. My nose is stuffy. My nose is stuffy. My eyes are itchy. My eyes are itchy. I have toothache. I have toothache. My back is aching. My back is aching. I am feeling weak. I am feeling weak. I have a rash. I have a rash. My ear hurts. My ear hurts. I have a cold. I have a cold. I feel tired all the time. I feel tired all the time. My muscles are sore. My muscles are sore. My skin is dry and itchy. My skin is dry and itchy. I can't hear well. I can't hear well. I can't sleep well. I can't sleep well. I am short of breath. I am short of breath. My chest felt tight. My chest felt tight. I have swollen ankle. I have swollen ankle. My knee hurts when I walk. My knee hurts when I walk. I am feeling feverish. I am feeling feverish. I have chills. I have chills. My skin is dry and itchy. My skin is dry and itchy. I have severe headache. I have severe headache. I have ear infection. I have ear infection. My throat is bad. My throat is bad. Like and subscribe.